Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is coconut butter chicken. I'm going to show all the steps. I'm going to mix all the spices and ingredients. For the marination, I took 2 kg fresh chicken, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon garlic paste or powder, 2 tablespoon ginger paste or powder, 3 teaspoons coriander seeds powder, 1 full teaspoon white pepper powder, salt to taste or 2 tablespoons, 1½ cup curd, now mix it properly. After marination, keep it aside. Heat up a cooking pan, pour in 1½ cup cooking oil. Add 2 cups chopped onions. Fry it until it's golden brown. Pick up all the fried onions from the oil and keep it aside. Now add 3 to 4 bay leaves in the same oil. 5 to 6 cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, add 2 cups onion paste, stir it nicely. Now add 1 teaspoon mixed hot spice powder. Fry it on medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the marinated chicken. Now stir it nicely. Fry it for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, it's time to add the main things. It's coconut milk. I'm going to open a coconut milk can, but you can use fresh coconut milk. Adding coconut milk. Stir and combine the coconut milk properly. Wow, mouth-watering scent here. Just follow my steps. It's awesome. You will love it. Now cover the lid for 15 minutes on low-medium heat. Don't forget to check every 3 to 5 minutes. I'm back to check after 15 minutes. Look at the curry, yummy. It's one of my husband's favorite curry. He is an educated gastronom from Copenhagen Hospitality College in Denmark and ESB certified in the UK. So friends, hope you also like it. If you follow my steps one by one, add 5 to 8 whole green chilies on top. Add fried onions from earlier on the top. Add 2 tablespoons pure ghee on top. Now cover the lids for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the flame. Now it's done. Serve it hot with rice or any kind of breads. Sprinkle some fried onions on the tops if you want. Make yourself dear. Follow my recipe, friends. You'll love it, that's for sure. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe if you want more. Stay with us. Thank you again. Bye-bye.